Plovdiv, Bulgaria. One of the oldest cities in the world and the oldest living city in Europe is getting ready for a giant leap in the field of science. Plovdiv is facing a bright new bio-horizon to reach. And that is Plant Assist. Meet the partners and picture their horizons.
So myself, Dr. Amol Nankar. I am from India, but I have studied and worked in different countries. So I worked in Germany as well as in United States. So I did my PhD in United States and I worked there for a few years. And then I had this amazing opportunity to join Center of Plant Systems Biology and Biotechnology. So it really made me think that why I should join Bulgaria instead of staying in US. So one of the thought came to my mind, why not to go to a country where I can make an impact? And that's where the opportunity I saw in CPSBB, and I'm glad I joined CPSBB. So far we have been able to achieve some of our goals, and we are moving forward with our extended goals in future. And as we are going, we are collaborating with different partners from Germany, and within Bulgaria we have multiple partners from Bulgaria too. So what I do basically here, by professional training, I'm a plant breeder or plant geneticist, but we do have amazing collection of tomatoes and peppers bred for over 50-60 years, and we have this amazing collection that can really make a food that can be healthy and nutritious, which is a big concern these days, and that's what we are trying to do here. Maritsa Vegetable Crop Research Institute, that's our one of the partner, and it has been responsible for breeding for last 80 years, and they have been very key in helping CPSBB. We are trying to establish a core collection of tomatoes and peppers for Balkan regions collected from different Balkan countries, and it has been really resourceful to identify some of the good varieties that can be used to breed and select in future. So that's our current goal, and we are using different tools known as metabolomics, genomics, transcriptomics to develop and identify these varieties. So downline few years we do see that we'll have a good collection of tomatoes and peppers that can be really key, and that's our main goal for this project. So far we have achieved our small goals, and we are moving towards a larger picture that to develop the good varieties, and I'm pretty sure that considering everyone's efforts, it will be a really resourceful and useful for common people to have a very nutritious and healthy varieties that can really help Bulgarian and Balkan farmers. Those can be benefited from our work, and that can be key resource for them in years to come. So I'm very hopeful and optimistic about the efforts taken by everyone here in Bulgaria as well as our partners in Germany, and we do see that there is a great future for our work to make an impact, and I'm pretty sure that we'll have a big impact here. Thank you.
CPSBB is meant to unite scientists from all over the world. A true crossroad of cultures over the centuries. Plovdiv is determined to be the newest crossroad of science in the near future. Plovdiv is facing a bright new bio-horizon to reach.